Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unboxing a new chair that is kind of the previous chair, but this is Green Soul Zodiac Pro multi-purpose gaming chair with high back mesh, an ergonomic office chair with 2D adjustable arm set and metal base swan. So this is the box we just got few hours back from Amazon, and we are trying to assemble through the self assemble process. So this is well packed. Now we need few things extra, like this is the tool like material. So this equipment and screwdriver is for opening the box, and this tool is required to keeping the backrest part. Now I'm opening the box. So I just unpack the box by the help of screw. You can use any knife or anything. Now I'm opening this one, and this is probably backrest part, green in color. So it looks very beautiful for me. Now I am keeping it out and placing on floor one by one. So this part is backrest part, and this part is headrest part, well packed, and I am also keeping it out and putting it on the floor. This is the seating part, this is the main part, and this is the arm support. This is already fastened with the company has provided with fastened. This is the wheel part. Now I'm keeping it out and placing on floor. So it is good looking and also robust, I think. And these are the two levers. One is for height adjustment, another is for recline lever. So we'll check later while reviewing this after 1 week. Now I'm keeping it in on floor, and let's see. Wheel part we have to take it out. This is the wheel part. It is having one hole. It is totally fixed, and we have to fasten it in between this plastic equipment to look nice. And this is probably a cylindrical hydraulic part. Let's open it by the help of screw or any kind of material you can use. So this is the cylindrical part, and another is keys. These are the keys. Two keys are there. So one is probably for fastening backrest part, another is headrest part, and this part is we have to fasten in between wheel part. So these are the all things we got. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we have to use the tool like equipment, this tool like equipment, and placing the seating part on it and here we have to open this 3 screw and fasten with the help of these keys. Now we have to adjust and fix this part. So once we have to use keys to tighten this and equally adjustable or equally aligned. So we have to tight it. So tight in such a way it should not move. So it should be tightly fixed. Well tight. Now these are the 2 levers, and here this is the wheel part. So here we have to use the cylindrical part in the thicker side. We have to fasten it, just keeping it. You have to just put it on it, no need to do anything, just keep it here. So we can place it on the floor, and we have to use the plastic material on that in between. Now this hole should be fixed on it, on top of the cylindrical part. So we have to fix it, but before that we have to fix this part, plastic part. Now chair is ready almost. Now we have to fasten the headrest part. So how? Now you have to open the screw and this headrest part to be fixed here by the help of the keys provided by the manufacturer in the box. So you have to fasten it tightly such that it should not move. Now we have to fasten it, so it takes some time. So we have to fasten this, and by the help of these keys we have to fasten it. So once it is ready, then chair is almost ready. So it is almost ready. Now we can sit and test its functionality. I'll review this chair after 1 week because I have to use, then I have to review this, but at present I think it is almost ready. Now let's see how levers are working. So this right part of this lever, so this is for height adjustment as well as back part fixed. So it is reclined, it is 90 degree to 120 degree, and it is totally rotatable. So if you have any issue or if you need guide, so I think it is better to call the support team. They will make a video call and giving you a virtual demo. I think it will be best, because they will give you full guide. I tried myself, because I tried another one in the same way. So they will give you the virtual demo. Now this is the up and down or height adjustment, and this is the backside tilt from 90 degree to 135, I believe, I'm not sure. Now this is the head first, and it is looks like a robust, and we can sit. Now it is almost ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. I'll come with another new video. Thank you for watching.